Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So as the crypto doldrums continue, because Bitcoin is still below our bull market support band, nothing much is happening in this space, which leaves me like this. So as a way to challenge myself, let's take on some of the more difficult technical analysis for some of the gaming cryptos that we see. This time, let's talk about Sandbox or the Sand token, because oh boy, you are in for a ride for this particular token. And let's dive in. So looking at sand on a 4 hourly time frame, it appears to be a simple structure. You have wave 1 right here, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and a wave 5. An overextended wave 5, mind you, followed of course by an ABC correction right here. So when we're looking at it from an Elliott wave structure on a 4 hourly time frame, it looks like bog standard Elliott wave, and right now we appear to be on a broadening descending channel right here. Well, we fell through the structure, but we have since climbed back in and pretty much oscillating our way around here. If you watch my other videos, it's pretty simple. Wait for the breakout right here, backtest it as support before continuation to the upside. Sounds simple, right? However, when I zoom out on a daily time frame, this whole structure right here is just part of a much larger wave 1, wave 2 right here. This is the wave 3. This current correction that we're undergoing is a wave 4 before an eventual destination of wave 5. If we map out where the potential wave 5 could go, we could go all the way to $12.09, not right here. All good so far? But what if I told you that when you look at it on a broader time frame, like a weekly time frame, this whole thing is just part of a massive Elliott wave structure where this is your wave 1, this is your wave 2, this is your wave 3. We appear to begin our eventual correction for the wave 4 before an eventual destination somewhere in the future for our wave 5. So if you haven't watched the movie Inception, this is pretty much Elliott waves within Elliott waves within Elliott waves, similar to how dreams can have dreams within dreams. And this is where it gets very tricky, because if you want to come into sand, what the hell do you do? Because on one hand, on a weekly time frame, sand does have a history of testing the support structures right here. So are you waiting for sand to backtest the EMAs right here, the weekly EMAs of around $2.60? But there's also a risk that you can get left behind, because when you look at it from a daily time frame, we are wrapping up a wave 4, which leads to an eventual destination of $13. If you look at it from a 4 hourly time frame, while yes, we are still hovering around this particular channel right here, but we are sort of forming bullish structures moving forward. So sand, at the end of the day, is one of those charts where if you have conflicting information like this, it is really, really important to spread out your buys. When we look at it at a 4 hourly time frame, we are still in the middle of a C wave. So for your C waves, pretty simple. You see a C wave, DCA zone right here. But keep in mind that if sand continues to correct in a couple of weeks, then don't be surprised. Instead, use this as an opportunity to target the 21 EMAs right here. Because so far, with this existing weekly structure, once we broke through it, we have held it as support for multiple weeks before continuation. So the expectation is, as you continue to DCA, don't be surprised if sand price becomes lower and lower. Eventually, it will hit the 21 EMA right here and hopefully bounce off from there. By that time, the crypto market hopefully would have picked up, so you could expect that everything will be rising up from there. So some chartception for your viewing pleasure. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll take a look at it in the future. Until then, take care everyone. Bye-bye.